Good morning and welcome back to my home and a new Christmas decorating video. I am so excited to be bringing you guys some inspiration today in your holiday tablescape. So I'm going to be going over some different ways to style your dining room table for the holidays. I hope that this video can give you tons of inspiring and Christmas decorating ideas. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2 of my Christmas clean and decorate, I will be sure to link both of those down below. In part 1, we focused on decorating the kitchen, dining room, our entryway, as well as our hallway. And then in part 2, we decorated the main space, the living room, and our tree, as well as setting up one of my favorite Christmas traditions, our Christmas village. So be sure to check those out. But without further ado, let's get into the different tablescape ideas for the holidays. Creating a Christmas tablescape really helps to instantly elevate your holiday gatherings. This first tablescape option that I'm sharing with you guys is very minimal, very modern, and we are just sticking to those earthy, neutral, organic materials. Starting off with just a simple snowflake table runner that is a cream color. I love how this adds a lot of texture. Then I added in my crate and barrel garland. This is the most realistic garland you will ever purchase. Yes, she's a splurge, but she's absolutely beautiful and I get questions on her all the time. We elevated our taper candle holders by adding some festive bows. You could make this your own by using any colors that you want. If you're doing traditional colors, you could add a red bow. You could stick to the earthy colors. Honestly, using your own color palette, you can, again, make any of these holiday tablescapes your own. So these are our everyday elegant plates. I love these. I will link them down below. They are the Sophie Conran pot. I can't even pronounce it. Pot Mirian. I don't know how to say it. Don't judge me here. And I absolutely love these plates. We have had these for like a decade. They have stood the test of time, and I'm actually hoping to expand our collection, but I'm struggling to find our color. However, I will leave the white ones linked down below. I do think these are well worth the investment. And we are sticking with just some silverware today. And then to add that extra festive touch, I am adding in these Christmas tree viral Amazon taper candles, as well as some Christmas tree napkins to complete this minimal and modern earthy tablescape. To fold these Christmas tree napkins, I have shared this before, but what you do is you take your material and fold it into a square, and then you just take your layers and fold them under, making sure that things are nice and tight and seamless. Once you fold all of them over, you're going to flip this over, and hopefully my demonstration makes it a little bit more easier for you to understand. And then you're going to fold them in half, creating that Christmas tree top. Again, making sure it is all nice and tight. Flip it over again and tuck them all in for the cutest little Christmas tree napkin. I love to add these to the center of the plates to, again, just kind of add that festive touch. And then we are going to add my new water glasses. I love these glasses. They are actually stemless wine glasses. I love the fluted details and the gold rim. It really just helps to elevate the space. And we use them for water. You can use them for wine, but I just really love the simple touch that it adds to this tablescape. Let me know what you think of holiday tablescape idea number 1, where we keep things super minimal and earthy. For holiday tablescape idea number 2, we are keeping things super festive and traditional. I adore this plaid tablecloth, so we're gonna go ahead and use that for our base. We are using the same garland that we used in the previous one. I like to show you how versatile pieces are so that you can create different ideas and tablescapes using the same products. So use what you have. If I'm using a garland, use your garland. If I'm using taper candle holders, use what you have. And I just hope that these give you the inspiration and decorating ideas versus the feeling of having to buy all new. Now, with that being said, of course, I will link everything down below, including these adorable spode Christmas tree plates. I hope that they are still on sale when this video goes live, as they were on sale for Black Friday. They are so beautiful and add that Christmas touch. So we are going ahead and using the dinner plates and then the appetizer plates. There is a whole collection of utensils and dinner cups and stuff like that, but we are just keeping it simple using the plates today. And then I'm gonna go in with these fancy gold utensils. I love the pop of gold and how it matches with our taper candle holders that we used in the last one. You'll notice I did change out the taper candles instead of using the Christmas tree ones. I just used these beautiful white ones that have the ribbed detailing. I just like using things that have that little bit of extra detail, as it really is in those simple details. Finishing it off with our ribbed glasses to complete holiday tablescape idea number 2. For the Christmas tablescape idea number 3, we are swapping out this tree for a flocked one, as our centerpiece is also going to have some flocked trees. So we are just trying to tie everything together by using similar items that are just a little bit different. And so using a white tablecloth, I love how it just brightens everything up. And then we are adding this centerpiece that my mother-in-law gifted me last year for Christmas that I absolutely adore. And then we are going to use these gold rimmed plates to again add a little bit more of those simple festive details. I love these dishes. They are actually also my mother-in-law's. She let me borrow them for this video. Shout out to her if she's watching this. And then using the same utensils that we used in the last one, adding in these gold utensils to really tie everything in together, finishing it off with these stemless glasses. Again, super simple. I love the winter touch that this adds because we don't have any snow, so it makes me happy to see these flocked trees. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a smaller creator. And if you haven't already joined our growing YouTube family, I'd love for you to subscribe for more cleaning, homemaking, and decorating inspiration. I have a lot of fun content planned, not only for the rest of this year, but also for in the new year. So make sure that you subscribe for all the exciting things happening, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.